There's a new area of people that have something called non-celiac gluten sensitivity that may also benefit from a gluten-free diet. We're really learning more and more each day about who can benefit from a gluten-free diet. We've known that people with a disease called celiac disease, which is an autoimmune disease of the intestines and the rest of your body, have to be on a gluten-free diet, because if they eat gluten, it really causes damage to their intestines that can lead to cancer in some cases. So for those people, it's critical. But what's emerging in the research is that there's a new area of people that have something called non-celiac gluten sensitivity that may also benefit from a gluten-free diet. So what I recommend to my patients is, if you have any sort of digestive problems that flare on a regular basis, or if you have any sort of autoimmune disease like thyroid disease, Hashimoto's, any sort of autoimmune arthritis or anything of that sort, you might try a gluten-free diet for 2 weeks. And if you notice a benefit, then stick with it. But for the majority of people, a gluten-free diet just in many cases means they're eating less of the refined processed foods, so it can be a healthier diet. But I have found more and more patients who report really very quickly feeling better on a gluten-free diet. So if you're one of those, stick with it. Just make sure to eat a balanced diet with all the major food groups to really have optimal health.